Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you or show you on how to request money on Revolut. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open the Revolut app on your mobile device and log into your account. Now, at the bottom of the screen, tap on the Payments tab. Next, swipe left on the payment options until you find Request and tap on it. Now on the request screen, enter the amount you want to request from someone, specify the currency if needed. Tap on the Add a Reason field to provide a description or note explaining the reason for the payment request. So this part is optional, okay? So now, to select a specific person from your contacts to request money from, tap on the To field and choose the person from your contacts list. Alternatively, enter the person's phone number or Revolut's username manually. Now after entering the requested amount, adding a reason if desired, and selecting the recipient, tap on the Request button. Now Revolut will send a notification to the recipient informing them of your payment request. To check the status of your payment request, go to the Payments tab and select Requests from the options at the top of the screen. Here you can see a list of your pending and completed requests. Remember that both you and the recipient must have Revolut accounts to utilize the payment request feature. It is worth noting that Revolut's feature and options may differ slightly depending on your region and the version of the app you are using. Okay? And that is how you request money on Revolut. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.